In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add Google reviews to your WordPress website. Adding Google reviews to your WordPress website can significantly benefit your online presence. By showcasing real customer feedback, you establish trust and credibility among potential visitors, increasing the likelihood of converting them into customers. These reviews also contribute to better search engine visibility, as Google values user-generated content. Furthermore, displaying reviews encourages user engagement, prolongs website visits, and ultimately improves conversion rates. The continuous stream of fresh and dynamic content from Google reviews enhances the overall user experience, while also providing an opportunity for reputation management by addressing any negative feedback. This amazing video will cover everything that's required to add Google reviews to a WordPress website. But before we start, we post WordPress-related content regularly, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Let's continue on to learn more about adding Google reviews to the WordPress website. As you can see, this is my WordPress website to which I'd like to add my Google reviews. We'll achieve this functionality with the help of a plugin. So let's first install a plugin. To do so, move back to your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Now simply search for Widgets for Google Reviews. From the list of various plugins, we're looking for this one. The plugin is by TrustIndex. You can see the plugin rating and the compatibility with your WordPress version as well. Now to install, simply click on Install Now. Once installed, simply click on Activate. As you can see, the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Now let's configure the plugin settings first. You can configure the plugin by clicking on trustindex.io in the sidebar as well. Now here, the first step is to connect the Google platform with our WordPress website. So in order to do so, you first need to check that your website has a Google profile. This is my website's Google profile. Make sure it has the ratings and reviews, as these will be displayed on the website. Once checked, let's move back to the WordPress website and simply click on Connect here. Here you need to enter the place ID or the Google Business Location profile over here. So where do you get this from? For the place ID, simply move back to your Google profile, and you can see a button named Write a Review over here. Simply right-click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Inspect Element. Now you can see various attributes are given over here. You simply need to look for Data PID. It's over here. Data PID is the place ID that we are looking for. So simply select the Data PID and copy it from here like this. Once done, simply move back and paste it here like this. You can see the source has been fetched correctly. Once done, simply click on Connect. Moving back to the Plugins page, you can see the first step has been completed and you can see the website has been connected to Google. Now, the second step is to select the layout. You can see the plugin provides us with various types of layouts to use. You can also see the reviews have also been fetched from the Google profile. You can verify it also. You can see the first review here. You can verify it from the Google profile. Now, coming to selecting a layout, you can select any layout of your choice, like a slider. This is how the reviews will be displayed. If you select Sidebar, you can see the format change here. This is how the review list will be displayed. You can also select a grid, and a grid of reviews will be displayed. If you select Badge, then this is how it will be added. You can add reviews in the button format. You can also add it in the floating format. You can select any as per your requirement. Simply click on the Select button once you decide on the layout. Moving to the third step is to select a layout style. You can now style your reviews like you can select the background type from the given options. If you need light backgrounds or light large backgrounds, various other options are available over here that you can select. Once you're done deciding on the layout style, simply click on the Select button. It's now time to configure the widget settings. You can see the widget preview over here. Scrolling a little, you can see various related settings to configure, like you can filter your ratings. You can choose from the menu options here, and as you make any change, you'll be able to see the preview on the top here. Now you can select the language here. You can even select the date format here. You can also select the alignment. You can select how to display review text from here, and you can check and uncheck various other settings here as per your need. You can disable this Google logo over here like this. You can play with these settings and make changes as per your requirement. Once done, simply save the settings and get the code. Now you can see the shortcode has been generated here. You can now embed this shortcode on the page. To do so, simply hover over Pages and click on Add New. I'm adding the reviews on a new page. You can follow the process and embed Google reviews on any existing page. Let's give this page a name over here. Now simply add the shortcode block and paste the shortcode here like this. Once done, now publish the page. It's time to check the page live. You can see how easy it is to add Google reviews on the WordPress website without doing anything difficult. This is the easiest way to add Google reviews to your WordPress website. You can see the number of reviews that have been embedded here. And this was all about how to add Google reviews to your site. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you face any problem or need help, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.